Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, so they converted the daily mid-band. They got down into the 50. They bounced it. I want to show you on the hourly chart what we were dealing with yesterday. So look, great day to get short. We did just that. We did nothing in Globex. We mentioned that yesterday. We had some really nice shorts in the regular session, but we got down into this S3 area, the third support area from the daily pivot, along with the 50-day exponential, along with the monthly pivot, along with the pre-FOMC price at 24. And the bears had 1, 2, 3, 4 hours to get it together. They did not get it together. And then we ended up in a really nice long, not even from the lows. I mean, because we were short trying to figure out what this thing wanted to do. You had a couple of hours worth of a really nice resistance at the monthly. And my feeling is, and my feeling still is, you convert 24, you're going to get this 4,200 roundy pretty efficiently. So we hung on to it and messed around with it probably longer than we should have. Nothing red, just it kept us from, instead of being long 29.5, we were long 39.5. And we booked 20 and 30, and we've got a 10-handle runner, so that'll be a 20-handle trade for us. So I love to get big trades done when there's volatility, early on in the week. So what have we seen overnight? It's been pretty much flatline on either side of the daily pivot. You see the hourly mid-band coming in. Now you've got price above everything. Not everything, but above the stuff that it couldn't deal with yesterday, right? Monthly, 50, pre-FOMC. You see up here, you've got daily mid-band 43.08, weekly pivot 43.39, 9-day 43.29. So still a ways away. I'm wondering if we do this today. Boom, 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 boom. And screw with everybody's head. What the bears need to do is get back below 42.60 and make a lower low. If you do that, then like I said, you're going to reach into that 4,200. What do the bulls want to do? They want to get up and over the top of this 42.80, deal with the roundy at 4,300, and try to take out the overnight resistance from last night in and around 43.08, 43.05 area. This whole consolidation from last night's Globex that broke down. They want to get back up into here. Bears just want to hold tonight's consolidation in Globex and make a lower low. It's going to be a very interesting day. It's a day where one side or the other has a real opportunity to execute more of an intermediate term strategy and kind of change the character of the tape. If the bears can win this battle and knock it down and make a lower low and progress, and we end up closing below all this stuff, okay, so below 24, then you say to yourself, okay, well, this is a sell rallies market. This is a market where we really could get that, that 5 to 10% correction without too much sweat. And what I would say to all of you is, that's not necessarily bearish. I know everybody wants it to be bearish and this, that, or the other thing. Everybody, we've gone up forever. I get that part. But you haven't, the bears have been non-participants for so long. Pulling it in for 5% or 10%, the bears are going to have to overcome that being a flaming buy going into the fall. So it would be, like I said, very interesting to see how it plays out. Okay, the shorter term time frames headed into the open. Proprietary moving average 71, 5-minute mid-band 71.5, volume weighted average price 69.75, and you got your hourly 63. It's been bouncing between 67 and 76 basically since a little before 7 o'clock. I'll be interested to see what side of 42.70 this wants to trade out off the open. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. Come trade this stuff with us. Stop sitting out there. Get in here. Let's go. Volatility is great. Take care. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.